Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Writing task 2 examination based question. Some people think that paying tax is enough to contribute to the society. Others argue that being a citizen involves more responsibility. Discuss both view and give your opinion. First of all, make introduction. Nowadays, it believed that if we want a contribution to society, paying tax is enough. Meanwhile, others oppose this statement and argue that as a citizen, we should have more responsibility to involve in social issues. As we know that taxes are the main support for a country development. However, to make a better community, we need not only money but also other things which will elaborate in this essay. BP1. First and foremost, taxes are pivotal support to create a better life for the community. All improvements in a country are afforded by a citizen taxes. Taking some example, in the education aspect, the government could build school which is a free access for people who have a low socio-economic status using tax. In addition, all people can access the road and other infrastructure which is well maintained by the national budget which is from the taxes. So it is clearly seen that taxes which are provided by citizens have a lot of the contribution to the society. BP2. On the other hand, it seems that paying tax is not enough to contribute to society. There are a lot of improvement in humanity and society which is not necessary money giving impactful contribution. As an illustration, in the presidential parliament election, people should participate in the term of the political activity, at least to vote for the best candidate who will lead the government. Furthermore, it is hard to believe that we just rely on the tax for the country development, while other aspects of the social development need more than the cash but more on the citizen social contribution. To conclude, paying tax is important to create physical improvement while society need more money in some case such as an election. I do believe that giving contribution is not merely about cash through the taxes but more about the social contribution. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for the latest update.